curves, they make a mess of all of my nerves. Choose a four-wheel cruiser, take it from me, baby girl. You're hanging with a loser. Your man's no.
So firstly, I took out my braids. Obviously, I had like braids in with expression, so it kind of helped stretch out my hair. I would advise you stretch out your hair before you do this style. Makes everything easier, makes everything lay flatter. I didn't use any heat, so you don't need heat for this style.
Sick of waiting up for you while you're out partying again, acting single with your friends while I'm waiting for something brand new. And lack of this initiative won't get me anywhere again.
So as you guys can see, my hair is divided into the front portion and the back portion. That's just going to make my job easier, so I could do the front portion first and then do the back portion.
But I tend to stumble.
Here you guys see me grabbing my hair tie and using the hard part of my double-sided brush, brushing my hair upwards and tying it down with my hair tie.
Over thoughts of us letting go, and in the end I will both say no. My mind is jumbled, cause I'll be better off alone. But I know there's something about you, and I can't help it. It's in the way you move.
Guys, here you see me using the Eco Styler to gel down my hair and to make it sleek and make it lay. Yes, I heard about the Eco Styler and the carcinogens in it, but I gotta do what I gotta do, man. So yeah, that's what I used. I'm not advising everybody to use it. There are different other types of hair gels that you can use. So yeah, that's what I decided to use. And after doing that, I used a thread to tighten the puff I had already made with the front section of my hair.
You glow, and in between it all, for you, I'm selfish until we make up again. Oh, I know we go.
So guys, I'm basically just going to do the exact same thing I did at the front of my hair, rather, to the back of my hair. So basically, comb my hair, detangle it, tie up with a scrunchie, brush it, then use a thread. So you guys just see what I'm doing here.
Take a look from where I stand. Just trying to be better than anyone for you. Oh, the mistakes they make me know we're all human, but repeatedly hurting me with what you do. Clearly we got things we gotta work through, and I'm prepared to try it all. You know I really wanna make it work out, if it means that we can sit here civilized. And no matter what, whenever you do try, I'm an answer. I won't hang it up, I don't think twice, I don't know why. There's something about you, and I can't help it. It's in the way you move, and how you glow. And in between it all, for you, I'm selfish until we make up again.
Here you guys can see me trying to make the bun on top of my head small as possible. The reason is because the hair at the top of my head, as you can tell, is a different color, and what I want to use to make my big bun is the same color as the rest of my hair, apart from the tips of my hair. So I'm trying to hide the tips of my hair. So here I'm just brushing. I'm putting more Eco Styler on the back of my hair.
You and I can't help it. It's in the way you move, and now you glow. And in between it all, for you, I'm selfish. Please let's make up again. 'Cause if
So guys, let me get into this edge control real quick. This is the Motion Smooth and Hold Edges edge control. I got this at my beauty supply store, thinking this would be like the olive oil, blah blah blah. I just wanted to try something new, and it does not work for natural hair, guys. Do not buy it for your natural hair. I don't know if it works for relaxed hair, but it doesn't work for natural hair. I'm using some realistic hair I got from my local beauty supply, and because of how short the hair is, after I combed it out, I had to try to make it thicker and longer. You guys will see what I did in the video.
This could be us.
So back to what I was saying.
Could be us. Could be us.
Say please.
Could be us.
Say please.
Could be us.
And I know they really wish we
Looping my hair around my natural hair, I tried to wrap the realistic hair around my natural hair to cover the color of my tips.
fall till we fall on the big.
So that's basically it, guys. I decorated the hair, braided some parts of the hair, made it look good. That's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Say please. Say please.
Could be us.
Say please.
Could be us.
Spin the bottle, spin the phone bottle.